Have you ever felt like you're missing out on secret money-saving tricks? What if I told you that your banking app has hidden features that could save you thousands of dollars without you lifting a finger? Most people only use their banking apps to check their balance or transfer money. But modern banking apps are packed with features designed to help you save, invest, and avoid unnecessary fees. Today, we're uncovering 7 hidden gems that could transform your finances. Let's
dive in!
Automatic savings tools. Many banks now offer automated savings features that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into your savings account. For example, if you spend $4.75 on coffee, your app will round it up to $5 and save the extra 0.25. Over time, these small amounts add up. In fact, studies show that people who use automatic savings tools save 30% more than those who don't. Beyond roundups, some apps allow you to set up rules like save $5 every time I order takeout, or transfer $10 every Friday into savings. By automating these small habits, you can painlessly build a solid emergency fund over time. Fee, refund, requests. With a tap ever been hit with an overdraft or late fee? Most banking apps now allow you to request a fee refund directly through the app. No awkward phone calls required. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, banks collected over $12 billion in overdraft fees in 2023. Many customers don't realize that banks are often willing to refund these fees, especially if it's a one-time occurrence. Check your app's customer service section to see if you can request a refund with just a few taps. Some banks even offer proactive fee waivers if they notice you've been charged multiple times. This means you could be getting money back without even asking. Subscription management. The average person spends over $200 per month on subscriptions, and nearly 42% of those go unused. Many banking apps now have built-in subscription trackers that identify recurring charges. With just a click, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions directly from your app, preventing wasted money on forgotten services like old gym memberships or streaming platforms you no longer watch. Some apps even send alerts before a subscription renews, giving you time to cancel before being charged. Imagine avoiding that $15 charge for a streaming service you meant to cancel months ago. Pure savings. High-yield savings account. Integration. Traditional savings accounts offer an average interest rate of just 0.42%. But did you know that many banking apps now integrate with high-yield savings accounts, offering 4% or more? Some banks even let you open these accounts directly through the app, meaning your money earns significantly more interest without requiring any extra effort on your part. For instance, if you have $10,000 in a standard savings account earning 0.42%, you'd make just $40 in a year. But with a 4% high-yield account, you'd earn $400, nearly 10 times more. This simple switch could add up to thousands of dollars over time. Cashback rewards on everyday purchases. Many banks offer hidden cashback programs on debit card purchases. These programs automatically apply discounts or give you cashback when you shop at select stores. For example, if you regularly buy groceries, gas, or online subscriptions, your bank might have partnerships that offer 5 to 10% cashback without you needing a credit card. Check your app's rewards or deals section. You might be leaving free money on the table. Let's say you spend $500 a month on groceries. If your bank offers 5% cashback on grocery stores, that's $25 back each month, or $300 a year. That's a free extra month of groceries just by using your banking app strategically. Even better, some banks offer rotating cashback categories, meaning you can maximize your savings by adjusting your spending habits. For instance, some months you might get higher rewards on dining, while others might focus on gas or online shopping. Staying aware of these promotions can put even more money back in your pocket. Personalize budgeting and spending insights. Wouldn't it be nice if your bank told you exactly where your money is going? Many apps now use AI to analyze your spending and suggest ways to cut costs. For example, your app might alert you that you're spending 20% more on takeout this month than last month, or it might recommend setting a budget for entertainment expenses to help you save more. People who actively use budgeting tools save an average of $600 more per year than those who don't. If your bank offers this feature, start using it today. Some apps even compare your spending to people with similar incomes, helping you gauge whether you're overspending in certain categories. Personalized budgeting and spending insights. Early paycheck access. Some banks now offer early direct deposit, allowing you to access your paycheck up to 2 days before your official payday. This can be a game changer for managing cash flow, avoiding late fees, and reducing financial stress. For someone living paycheck to paycheck, early access can prevent overdraft fees or high-interest payday loans. If your bank offers this service, enrolling takes just minutes and could give you a financial edge every month. Bonus tip: credit score. Monitoring. Your credit score impacts everything from loan approvals to interest rates, yet many people don't track it. Some banking apps now offer free credit score monitoring, helping you stay informed and improve your score over time. Better yet, some apps will notify you of potential fraud or suspicious activity, allowing you to act quickly to protect your financial health. Conclusion: most people are sitting on powerful money-saving tools without even realizing it. From automatic savings to cashback rewards and subscription tracking, your banking app is more than just a place to check your balance. It's a financial powerhouse. Go explore your app today and activate these features. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this with someone who could use a little extra cash in their pocket. Small changes today can lead to big savings tomorrow. Start now.